Hey there! I've got a rather in-depth journey for you into the world of hybrid networking, specifically around the Azure VPN Gateway. Picture this: you are an IT professional with your hands hovering over a keyboard, ready to enhance your company's connectivity strategy, aiming for seamless integration between your on-premises network and the expansive Azure cloud. We're about to get our tech groove on, dissecting the nuances of designing and implementing Azure VPN Gateway for the ultimate hybrid network infrastructure. First things first, Azure VPN Gateway brings together the Azure cloud and your on-premises resources securely. Why go back and forth with tunneling protocols when you can link the cloud and the office directly? That's a win-win in my book. The VPN gateway is like the Sherpa, guiding secure traffic between the two realms. It leverages the site-to-site VPN tunnels to facilitate a direct, encrypted connection for continuous connectivity. But it's not just about setting up a tunnel, it's about crafting a customized VPN gateway, tweaking the configuration, and ensuring it fits perfectly into your network design. Let's dive deep into Azure's built-in VPN gateway service. We'll peel back the layers of the VPN application gateway, the classic gateway, and discuss how the ExpressRoute peering integrates into this setup. Every layer matters, and we'll explore the critical ones. Now, when it comes to network design, the devil is in the details, isn't it? We'll unpack network architecture, taking into account everything from address plan to network security considerations. It's essential to get right because the blueprint you create will shape network performance. We'll then venture into the actual process of creating a VPN connection, meticulously detailing the steps. We're talking about setting up resource groups, the configuration of encryption domains, all the key aspects. If you thought installing a coffee machine was complicated, hold up, because this is the next level of complexity. But wait, there's more. We'll navigate advanced features, tiering, auto-scaling, multi-region routing to name-drop a couple. These are the tools in our tech belt, and we're not amateur here. They provide enhanced scalability and reliability, with each advanced feature adding another layer of efficiency and robustness to your hybrid network. We'll take the plunge into troubleshooting common pitfalls that are so frustrating it just doesn't work syndrome. But fear not, as we'll cover using the Azure portal and Azure CLI to diagnose and fix hiccups in a jiffy. The Azure Health Checker is a tech pro's best friend in maintaining the harmonious symphony of the VPN gateway. And then, when the VPN gateway feels right at home, we'll explore maintaining and optimizing it for the long term. Regular updates, policy refinements, and security patches. Keeping the setup humming smoothly is crucial for an unyielding performance. I know, this might sound daunting, but it's truly a walk through a meticulously mapped jungle into the rich terrain of Azure's hybrid networking. And like any great exploratory journey, we'll conclude by reflecting on the future trajectory of this technology and its place in our ever-changing landscape. So, rev up your techie engines and join me at Neeraj.io. It's time to subscribe to TechLab for a deep dive into hybrid networking like never before. Neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab.